Good day, gang. Welcome. I'm going to go over how to use the SEO empty fields scan on our plugin and go over the new integration with OpenAI and how to use it. Basically, when you first log in, you would need to get your API key from OpenAI. What you would do is you would have to have an account on OpenAI.com or ChatGPT, and you would have to get your API key. Okay. And this is how it works. You just land on this page and you click on create new secret key. And then what you would need to do is, as soon as this is created, you would need to copy this API key to bring it over. Okay. And if you don't do that, you won't be able to copy it again. Now, once you copied it, you come back to the page, you click on paste the key, click save key, and that will just save it on the plugin, and now you should be good to go. So this AI and OpenAI suggestions right now only works with page and post SEO titles and descriptions. Now, to get that, you would just run a page SEO scan and or a post SEO scan. And as soon as the page is done, what happens with our plugin is it will go through and find all the empty fields for SEO titles and descriptions, and it will display all of them. Now, for the purpose of this example that I'm doing, I'm going to do a post scan here. It will take a few seconds, go through the entire site, and find all the pages or posts that have empty fields. Now, let's say that I want to create an SEO title for this post here. I'm going to click on edit. It says the SEO title should be between 50 to 70 characters. I'm going to click on generate SEO title with AI. The plugin will work with OpenAI servers to create one for you. Now you will notice the box will turn into three colors. Orange is when it's less than the allowed character limit, and it will turn red when it's over the character limits. Like in this case, for the title, it would be 70 characters. Okay. Now, typically right now, OpenAI gives us SEO titles and descriptions that are longer than the allowed character limit. I believe that they're still working on it and it will improve over time. Okay. So now when the box is red, that means we need to reduce the size. So I'm going to start deleting. You see it turned green as I'm deleting the extra words. Now I'm just going to modify it and call it John Smith, right? With John Smith. Okay. Now, you will have to play around with the suggestions from OpenAI. They're not perfect. Sometimes, as a matter of fact, they are totally wrong and irrelevant. So you have to pay attention to that. But at least it gives you a suggestion. It gives you a base to work with, and you would just edit and modify it. Okay. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to leave that as is. Next post, I'm going to come here, click on edit, click on generate SEO title with AI, and you will see that it takes a few seconds. As long as the wheel is turning, we're in communication with the OpenAI servers, and we're waiting to hear back from them. You will notice that sometimes the suggestions gives you this quotation, which you don't need. You will have to just, again, do some editing. How to grow, so how to earn attention and grow based on value, not price. I'm going to get rid of this extra words here, and boom, the box is green now. Okay. Now, in some cases, like in this case, I only have a video on that page. And when I click on SEO title suggestions for that, it doesn't give me a ton of good. It doesn't give me a good suggestion because that's the only text that is available on that page. And so the SEO titles and descriptions are generated based on the content of the page. So if you don't have a ton of content in there, it is not going to give you great suggestions. So I'm going to delete that and I'm going to move on. Now, I'm going to now do an SEO description for the post that I picked the title above. Let's see what it does for those ones. Okay. And sometimes if there's no content on the page, it gives you some irrelevant SEO title and description that you would have to really pay attention to. Okay. And then sometimes it cuts off the sentence mid-sentence, right? Like join Ian and Mustafa as they describe how to grow your, right? So you would have to just edit it quickly, and I'm just going to make that grow your business. Okay. And then you see it is red now. So I'm just going to turn that into an ampersand, and boom, the box is green now. Okay. When I'm done with this, I'm going to hit save all changes, and it's just going to go through and insert those titles and descriptions into the fields for whether it's Yoast or other plugins that we integrate with. Hope this helps. We're looking for feedback on this feature, and it will be improved and get better. And the suggestions and everything else would just only get better over time as OpenAI and their machines get better and smarter on this. Again, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone that you know that could benefit from, saving some time when improving their SEO titles and getting better rankings on Google. And if you have any feedback for us, please let us know. Thank you.